Hello, everyone. Is your project issued with environmental compliance certificate? If yes, you are required to submit compliance monitoring report or CMR to DNR Environmental Management Bureau. The compliance monitoring report is being submitted by the project proponent issued with environmental compliance certificate. The compliance monitoring report or CMR is being submitted to DNR Environmental Management Bureau every July 15 and January 15. It is being submitted through online compliance monitoring report system. So as a PCO, you are duty bound to prepare and submit compliance monitoring report through online compliance monitoring report system. Do not forget that submitting compliance monitoring report is a way to provide information, update to EMB or Environmental Management Bureau regarding the compliance to ECC conditions, regarding the implementation of Environmental Management Plan and Environmental Monitoring Plan. Therefore, failure to submit compliance monitoring report every 6 months is a ground for the issuance of notice of violation or eventually a fine and penalty not exceeding 50,000 pesos for every violation. So as a PCO, please promptly submit compliance monitoring report to DNR Environmental Management Bureau.